Thank you so much for clicking on my video and welcome to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. My name is Jenny and on this channel I create budget-friendly home decor that's easy to do. I'm going to be sharing with you some simple fall Dollar Tree DIYs. For my first one, I have two bowls out of the glassware section of the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using this clear bowl along with this white bowl. The white bowl is a tad bit larger than the clear bowl, but that's the way I wanted it because it's going to be the bottom part of the DIY. They have several colors. You're not going to see the white anyway because I am going to be covering that. So I'm just going to use some E6000 to connect these two bowls together by the bottom. I'm just creating some really simple high-end decor using Dollar Tree items. What I'm going to be pairing with this is these 3 candles, and the scent is a caramel maple scent. I'm pretty much going to take these 3 candles and create one larger candle. And what I'm going to do is add these candles into some water and just have it simmer so that it can melt these candles down. Now I don't want them to completely melt. I want to grab the wick out of the center before it melt all the way down, because all I will have to do is grab those 3 wicks out with some tongs and add them into the bowl. And then I'll just pour the liquid in the bowl, and that way my little wicks will still be in place, and it just makes it so much easier. Once I have all of that done, this is how it looks. I'm going to use this decorative rope from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to wrap this around the bottom portion, and I'm going to be using hot glue for that. I love having candles out, especially in the fall and the holiday season. I have different ways that I do my candles. Sometimes I melt them down, and I do have wicks that I purchased from Hobby Lobby for like $3, I believe, a pack, and you get several in there, maybe like 12 or plus. And I just use the Dollar Tree wax. It's just so much easier and budget friendly. I will be creating a lot of candles in my next upcoming videos because, like I say, I love candles during the fall. So I just finished one row and I just clip the end of the rope, and I'm gonna tack that down and then finish off with a second row. So with this candle, all I did is just transfer the wicks to the bowl, and I placed those 3 and poured everything. But in future videos you'll see other ways that I do it. So now that I have it almost completed, I'm down to my last piece. I'm just going to clip that sideways so that I could add some hot glue and blend that in, and that is it for this candle. I think it came out absolutely lovely. As you can see, the bottom bowl is a little larger, or maybe just shaped different, but that just gave it a bigger base for my candle. For my next DIY, I have these 3 jars here from the Dollar Tree. I'm actually going to be using 4 jars. I just have 3 here because I already started cleaning them with alcohol so I can prepare them to spray paint using this white matte spray paint here, and I'm just going to give them all 2 coats. Once I have that complete, this is how they turned out. What I'm going to do is take this baker's twine that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it's this pretty green and a white color, and I'm just going to wrap them around the rim at the top of the jar, and I'm just going around the bottom rim a few times. I'm going to add some hot glue, tack it down, and then just clip off the excess. This is another simple project but has a high-end look. So I'm just going to repeat that step, wrapping the twine, the baker's twine, around the rim of the jar, tacking it down, and then clipping off the excess. Now I have this 4-pack of these little chalkboard hearts from the Dollar Tree that has the little pieces of jute string, and all I'm doing is clipping off a piece of that baker's twine the same size of the little 4 pieces of jute cord, because I'm just going to put them together and make 4 little basic bows. Once I have all 4 of the little bows tied, all I'm going to do is hot glue them right next to the hole of the little hearts. I'm just going to add a dab of hot glue and then just attach the little bows. And so after I get all my little bows attached, I'm going to take this white chalk marker that I got from the Dollar Tree and just spell out the word fall. I am going to add a letter to each one of the little chalkboard hearts. And so after I get all of my letters wrote down, I am just going to take these little tags and I am going to hot glue one to each one of the jars. And I'm just putting on a dab of hot glue like that and just pressing it down, just making sure that I add them in the same spot as close as possible. And once I get that complete, then I'm going to add some floral to these little jars. The Dollar Tree put out some really pretty fall florals, and there are so many options to choose from at the Dollar Tree. They have so many pretty colors, but I decided to keep it really simple. The Dollar Tree put out these really pretty fall grass picks, and I absolutely love them. So I'm just going to keep this really simple. I have 4 picks, and I'm just going to take the tags off, and I'm going to push the little grass buds up close. As you can see, they're spread it out, but I'm just going to push them all up to the top. Since I'm only going to be adding 1 to each jar, I feel like that's full enough, and I'm just bending my stem. I'm not adding any filler. I'm just pushing up the grass and bending the stem. And I think this is so simple, but it's so cute. I can always change out the picks, and it'll just make it so much easier to not have to worry about any filler. And that is it for these jars. I think they came out so pretty. I absolutely love these. My next DIY is really simple. I have 2 plates from the Dollar Tree. I have the small saucer plate and the larger plate, and I picked up this pretty green, but they had other colors to choose from. All I'm going to do is add some E6000, and I am going to attach this plate right to the bottom of the larger plate. These are some really pretty color plates. I like the green. I've been transitioning lately a lot of green into the home, a lot of different shades of green. And this is just a simple DIY that you can display pumpkins on. You can actually utilize this as a cake plate. It could be so many different things because it's totally functional and it's food safe, which makes it great. The Dollar Tree does have really great glassware. So what I'm going to do is let that dry, and then to style this, I am going to be using a few items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, keeping this very simple. They had this really pretty greenery pick that I absolutely love. It has this hint of orange in there. I have this vanilla candle that I'm going to use along with this really cute little pumpkin, and I do have another little small pumpkin from the Dollar Tree as well. I'm just going to pour these stems off separate so that I can style them on the plate. I'm just going to arrange the greenery on the plate, and I'm keeping it really simple for just in case I want to display some goodies on here. It will be very easy to transition. That's the little pumpkin with the clip from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add that, and it turned out so cute. I absolutely love the simplicity of this. Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I did. If so, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. As always, in the comment section below, let me know which one of these DIYs were your favorite. And until next time, my friends, stay safe so that I can see you in the next video.